This is going to be such a fun video to make. I don't even know where to start on this thing. But I bet you there's no oil in it. Starting off, let's see here. Let's give it a little wipey wipe. Put her back in. Yeah. Well, there's a drop on the tip of the dipstick, but it's over a quart low. Let's see why. Yeah, this engine does not sound too good. And if you're gonna change your own oil, I'm not sure what we got going on there. You see how fast that's dripping out? That's not good. I'm pretty sure this thing got run out of oil, maybe more than once. But let's get it up in the air. Let's give it the benefit of the doubt. Yeah, sometimes oil leaks are hard to find, but yeah, I don't think it's going to be that hard to find on this one. Hello? Hopefully I can lower it down fast enough that it doesn't run out of oil. Let's see what we got going on here. Yeah. Houston, I think we have a problem. Oil filter. Unbelievable. That is coming from the oil filter. All right, so this thing had a massive oil leak. It's a hybrid Camry, and whoever changed this filter used a pair of pliers on it to put it on, to tighten it. And it is, see that dent right there? That goes all the way through. See how it's shiny in the center? Get the light on that. See how it looks silver right at the tip of my thumb? That's a hole